Hello friends, Jagmohan Singh Rishi, your leadership coach and a digital mentor. Wishing you a very happy new year 2021. May this year be full of hope and fulfillment of all your dreams and desires. Well, the dreams and desires will not be achieved just like that. One has to do hard work. So I will share with you some of the studies of one of my surveys which I did called BBB, that is Brain Science Buying Behavior, and I'm going to share with you specifically for the leaders. Now these leaders are some people who drive business, who drive people and ensure the execution. And by leader I don't mean only CEOs and the founders and the owners. I mean team leaders and middle level leaders and the senior leaders also. So as per the study which I did it, I found that there are specific traits or leader behaviors these leaders have shown, and I will share with you specific those aspects in next 2-3 minutes. One of the outcomes of the study was that 30% of these successful leaders, they displayed a trait of continuous improvement, not only for themselves but also for their team members. So they create an ecosystem of learning and performing. 25% of these leaders showed great ability to problem solving and crisis management. Yes, this was a crisis in this VUCA world, in this COVID world, and they handled it very effectively, keeping the morale of everybody high, in the process delivering performance. What are the examples you are seeing in front of you? Can you see some examples of Swiggy or Zomato? I mean, they have come up like anything. At the same time, through this study, I will also like to mention a effective leader model which can be very effective in 2021. Number one part of this leader model is driving business. Driving business just like that cannot happen for a leader, because the business has to be driven through people, through processes, and that is where I always advise that ensure that there is enough digitization of the processes which are automated, and at the same time empower your people to use those systems and processes, my dear friend. Handle data very effectively, have a strategic solutioning, and at the same time business acumen to manage different customers, giving customer experience which is enriching, personalized customer experience, hyper personalization of the experience to the customers can be given. Number two is the agility, and I will talk about having an agile mindset of learning, having an agile mindset of curiosity, having an agile mindset of digitization. So if a leader can display the second part, that is agile mindset, he or she will be very successful. And number three, my dear friend, is the ability to lead change in this VUCA world, in this COVID world. Change cannot happen by using hunter like a Hitler. It needs empowerment, it needs humility, it needs collaboration, and of course it needs proactiveness, that I will lead from the front. Remember the example of Mr. Vikram Sarabhai from ISRO, who led from the front in spite of leading a public sector unit. Many examples are there today also. For example, Tata's is one example which has come up, which has emerged very successful. Amazon, Apple, or take example of Zoom, which has thrived in this particular environment. So in spite of being hit, travel industry or hospitality industry, they have found out ways to survive and thrive in this chaos also. So biggest responsibility for a leader is to build a culture, my dear friend. And culture cannot come just like that. It requires openness, it requires performance, it requires collaboration, it requires trust building. So as a leader, my dear friend, big responsibility on your shoulders to build a culture of openness, trust, and that will lead to performance. Want to need more stories? You can refer to my book, Are You Digital Dinosaur? And once again, wishing you all the best for 2021. Live life balle balle.